cutter uses a small knife to precisely cut the outline of figures into a sheet or piece of vinyl, but not the release liner. The knife moves side to side and turns, while the vinyl is moved beneath the knife. A vinyl cutter can be used to make signs, banners, advertisements, and more. It can work with over 300 different materials. High-quality vinyl cutters are able to cut your designs into paper, cardstock, tissue paper, reflectives, thermal transfer material, and much more. There are a lot of risks when it comes to vinyl cutters. Some of these risks in using the vinyl cutter includes: do not touch the tip of the sliding blade to avoid injury. Always place the unit on a stable base to prevent it from falling down. And do not operate the unit during thunderstorms, as it can be damaged or destroyed by lightning. To use this vinyl cutter, there is no required safety equipment. But before using it, you should always do these 3 things. You should clear the area around the cutter before turning it on. You should make sure the machine is working properly before using it, and for the Titan vinyl cutter, you can do that using the test button. And you should always handle the blade carefully, which, since we are in a class, I recommend getting the facilitator when needing to switch out a blade for a new one. Here is the vinyl cutter paper, as seen from this label. For this tutorial, we are using the green vinyl cutter paper. You will place the vinyl cutter paper right here on the rollers, and you will insert it into the vinyl cutter like so. This is a glossy vinyl cutter paper, and it's thinner than the regular vinyl cutter paper, so for those, you'll have the speed set to 500 and force set to 100. And for the vinyl cutter we are using, which is a bit thicker, you'll just keep the settings as it already is. For this vinyl cutter, you will use the Vinyl Master application. Once it loads, you can exit out of this box. Then you will go to File, New, then open a new document to start creating in. In this document, you can add text, shapes, pre-made basic shapes as shown here, and clip art. You can choose any clip art you want, but if you want one, you can just click on the one you want, then press accept and click anywhere. You can readjust the size and rotate it however you would like. If you would like to use an image outside of Vinyl Master, you can just open Chrome and upload the image to your Google Drive so you could have access to it, or try to find one on Google. For this tutorial, I'm just going to find one on Google, and I am just going to use an image of a dragon. If you would like to insert this image into Vinyl Master, you'll open Vinyl Master, Then you'll download the image you want to insert. A box will show up, but you can just press OK and the box will go away and it'll download anyway. You will then insert this file into Vinyl Master, click anywhere, and it will be inserted. In order to be able to cut this image, you'll have to vectorize it right here. It'll trace around the image and remove the background. You'll press trace and accept. You can readjust however you want. And once you are finished doing that and you want to start cutting, you will press this little knife button on the top left and it'll show the image that you want to cut out. I recommend having the auto weed box on. It creates this box around the image. It just makes it easier to get the sticker out. You'll have to make sure that the model is on Titan 28-inch. And once you are ready to cut, you'll press cut now and start the cutting operation.